In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a link to an image in Outlook. Whether you're looking to enhance your email communication with interactive visuals or simply direct your recipients to more information, this is a powerful tool to have in your digital toolbox. So let's dive right in. First, we'll start by navigating to Microsoft Outlook. If you're working from your computer, simply head to your preferred web browser and enter the Outlook URL. Once you're there, you should see the familiar interface of Microsoft Outlook. Next, you're going to want to look towards the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll find the sign in button. Go ahead and click on it. Now's the time to enter your email and password. Getting signed in will give us access to all the features we need to proceed. If there's any trouble with your credentials, double check them to make sure they're correct. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see an option labeled New Mail. Click on this to begin crafting your new email message. Once you're in the new mail interface, there's an arrow icon situated near the delete icon. Clicking this icon will open your composing window in a new tab, freeing up more space and simplifying the process. With your email window ready, it's time to start the fun part. Begin by locating and clicking on the Insert tab. This is where you can find various tools to add elements into your email. From there, select the picture option. It's time to choose the image you want to use. Head into your file system and select the picture you wish to include in your email. If you have a particular image in mind, make sure it's easily accessible in your folders to save time. After your picture is loaded into the email, it's time to make it interactive. Right click on the image that you've just inserted. This will bring up a menu of options. Look closely at the toolbar that appears above, as one of the icons is your key to success, the link icon. Go ahead and click it. Finally, the moment of truth has arrived. You'll be prompted with a dialog box asking for a URL. Here, you can paste the link you want your image to direct to. Double check the URL to ensure it is correct and functional. After you've confirmed it, save or apply the changes. And there you have it. Your image is now successfully linked, adding a new level of engagement to your email. This method is not only quick, but ensures your emails remain professional and visually appealing. Feel free to experiment with different images and links to customize your communication efficiently. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.